Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word latitudes. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The ship traveled through various latitudes on its journey across the ocean. Latitudes refers to imaginary lines that run parallel to the equator and are used to measure distances north and south of the Earth's equator. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.